So, hey guys, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about COAP PGDRP course placement statistics. The main purpose for making this video is in my previous videos for this course, lot many people are commented that we want to know about the placement statistics about the course. So I come with this video, and so we are going to discuss today the placement statistics for both COAP campus and VPK BIET campus, which is the extended campus of COAP. Okay. So before going to forward to the presentation, I want to give one advice for you. If you don't know about the PGDRP course, what is PGDRP course at COAP, then you must watch my previous videos. So you will get the clear idea what this course is all about. Okay. So let's begin with the presentation. So before that, if you are watching this video first time in my channel, then I want to urge all you guys that to like, comment, and share this video so all the students who want to pursue this course get benefited. Okay. So let's begin with our presentation. Let me share my screen. Uh, So let's begin with the presentation. So in this presentation, we are going to see the COAP and VPK BIT campus placement statistics. VPK BIT campus is the extended campus of COAP. If you want more details about this campus, then do watch my previous videos. Okay. So what exactly we are going to see in this presentation is we are going to see what the companies which are visiting to the campus regularly. So we will see their names and their average package. Okay, and last 3 years comparisons about their placements for this course. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. So these are some companies which are visiting to the campus regularly, such as Deloitte USI, Deloitte Financial and Risk Advisory, Colgate Palmolive, Capgemini, TCS, Schlumberger, Edeltech. These seven are some the major one companies, and there are many more companies in the list, but these companies are big one and major ones. Okay, so these two companies hire more number of students than others. So these are the most important and companies at the campus. The average package for these two companies is around 6 to 7 lakhs per annum. Okay, and in internship they also uh, give paid us around 1 lakh rupees for the 3 months. Okay. Similarly, TCS have the average package of 4 lakhs. Capgemini also same have the same package as like TCS. Schlumberger is the highest paying company at the campus. In last year, the Schlumberger gives around 11 lakh of package to one student. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. So the number of students at COAP campus is around 30 students. The number of students at VPKBIT campus is 35 as per the last year. Means that is 2020. This is the first batch for this campus. That's why the number of students at this campus is less, but their intake capacity is around 60 students. Okay. So let's just compare the last 3 years placement statistics. Okay, if you talk about the 2018-19 batch, there are around 28 students for this course that got admitted. Okay, all the students got their internship opportunity, and all the students converted their PPO offer. Means 100% placement in the year 2018-19 batch. Okay. In 2019-20 batch, there are around 29 students for this course. All the students got the internship opportunity, and PPO offer it slightly decreased to the 90% due to the COVID impact. Otherwise, I don't think there is any issue for their placements. For 2021 batch, around 65 students got admitted for this batch. 38 students got the internship opportunity till date. Means today's date is 6th of April, and out of 65, the 38 students already got the internship. As per my knowledge, around April end, all the students got the internship. Okay, So there for their PPA offer, I will make another video for their PPA offer in the month of September. So you will get the exact detail for their replacement offer. Okay, even if you are not got shortlisted for the PPA offer after your internship, college will provide you the support and guidance for your future career. Okay, so there is no any such issue at COAP campus for the placements. If only you have to work very hard in your internship and convert your PPA offer. That's it. Okay, and I just want to add one more thing here. The companies like TCS, Colgate Palmolive, and Schlumberger, Capgemini. These are the some companies who also saw your previous academic background, means your 10th, 12th, and your engineering aggregate must have 60%. Then and then you are able to sit in their recruitment process. Otherwise, you won't get the chance. Okay, but that doesn't mean that other students who don't have their aggregate 60% won't get any opportunity. Just the difference is that if you have 60% as in your academics, then you get the more number of options. That only the difference is. So that's the thing is. Okay. So if you have any doubts about their placement statistics, you must ask me in the comment section. I will definitely try to resolve your all doubts. Okay, then goodbye and thank you all.